문지투성이 hands are trembling right now. Right now, deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in.
Hey y'all, good evening. Why did I just start coughing all of a sudden? But yeah, hi, welcome to another vlog. I wanted this to be in the last vlog, but I noticed while editing that my birthday vlog was a bit too long, a bit longer than anticipated. Yeah, so I decided to start a new vlog because I'll be unboxing gifts. You can tell from the smile on my face that that's one of my favorite hobbies. I love to unbox. I like new things. Hi, I don't think there's anybody that likes new things as much as I do in this world. But yeah, this is the box. It's so heavy. I can't even lift it up. But yeah, this is it. A box of goodies all the way from America.
And it went like...
You guys don't need to see my face again now, so let us open. I can't lie, Sha. I couldn't wait to unbox with you people, so I've seen everything inside. So let's just pretend that this is my first time, even though we all know that I've seen everything. But yeah, I'm just going to show everything to you people. It's a full box of goodies. Where will I start from? Okay, let me start with these Kate Spade slippers. Yo, I got these slippers months ago. With this, my friend, were really close. I just buy things and send to her address, and whenever she gets someone coming from the US, she sends my things to me. And this time her friend was coming back, so she just made a box for me and her husband. I've already packed his things, those are different, and she sent it through her friend. So these are the items. All right, I just give you a backstory of everything. So this Kate Spade slippers, like I was telling you, I got it a long time ago, months ago, when they had their sales, and I really love it. I love the packaging and the color. They had two color options, pink, this nude pink, and black. Well, I opted for this one. It's just a slide, leather slides. I love the embossed detail. What is it called? Embossed. There's a name for it though. I will leave it on the screen if I remember. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Just a knockabout type of slippers. I really love it. It's Kate Spade. It's so lovely. I wish I got the black as well, but I mean, I'm okay with this one. I also got the DJI Pocket 3. I don't know if I've mentioned, I haven't vlogged here in a while, but I've been wanting to get my hands on this, and I finally got it. This is the creator combo. I'll do an unboxing on short form, so I'm not about to open it in this vlog, but yeah, I got this. I also got a memory card, 256 gig, so you all know that vlogs are about to be late. Okay, she added this for me, and my vitamin C is already finished. This, my friend, I don't know. And a Gen 1000 milligram vitamin C. You all know how obsessed I am with my daily supplement, so she got that one for me. And then she sent me a bunch of my favorite teas. Let me show you people. She was actually the one that introduced me, or was she? Yeah, she was the one that introduced me to this peach celestial tea. And I told my mom about it. My mom bought it when she traveled. She loved it. I've introduced a lot of people. So she sent me a bunch. She sent me this one, still peach. And let me see. Yeah, she also sent me a sampler of different flavors from same brand, Celestial Seasoning. It has raspberry, wild berry, true blueberry, black cherry, and the original that I'm used to, the peach passion. I think she sent about, that's 3 packs of it. And then I got my toothpaste. I can't wait to do a hygiene updated video. This was not the toothpaste I was using before, so I've changed to this one. I decided to get it in bulk from Amazon. This is a 4-in-1 pack, and I think it was about $15 or so. While here in Port Harcourt, I've been getting it from one store for 6,000 naira per for a piece like this. So I got 4 for $15. Give or take, $15 should be like 17,000, which is almost the same thing. Oh. Come to think about it, almost the same thing. But yeah, I got that. I think it was not up to 6. It was, I think it was 13 thereabout. I can't remember thereabout. But I didn't even have to pay because I had money in my Amazon store from you're buying things from my Amazon store from. Thank you all so much. Thank you for using my link to shop on Amazon. It's been so helpful. This month alone, I've made some money as well, and I'm just grateful to you people. Thank you so much. Okay, she got me this popular lotion, the EOS lotion. Let me open this gripper thing. But yeah, I've been wanting to get my hands on it, but I haven't been able to, and my friend just got it for me. And then she got me dried berries. Let me show you people the type of friends I have. Okay, where is it? Okay. This unboxing is a bit chaotic, but I'm just trying to be very fast about it. So this is dried berry medley. It has a blend of dried blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They sell this at Trader Joe's. She got me 2 packs of it. She got me the blueberry variant, and she also got me organic cranberries. So for my what they call this thing, Greek yogurts and breakfast, my oatmeal self, it'll come in clutch. And then she got me a pack of almond, cranberries, and cashew mix, also from Trader Joe's. The last time she came, she sent me a few packs of this, and I really enjoyed it. So I asked her for it, and then she sent me a pack of it. I think it was 2 packs, not a pack. Yeah. So 2 packs of it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Like, you have no idea. I will snack on this. It's very healthy. Then she got me a pack of almonds as well. Ma, God bless you. God bless you, my friend, my sister. I also got some underwear from Victoria's Secret. Also got this months ago. Sent it to her house. I'm very patient when I get things online because I'm never in a hurry. Even if it takes a year for somebody to come back, no wahala. So Victoria's Secret was having their semi-annual sales. I got, I think, 6 pants. Where are they? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one I had the bra, so I decided to get the pants, so I'll make it a set. When I wanted to get the pants, when I got the bra, it was so expensive, I couldn't justify spending that amount. So when I saw they were also, I just decided to add it to the mix. I got 6 pants, I got a bra to match the red panties, and a bra as well to match the purple one. I can't show you all what it looks like, so you don't see what my pants and bra looks like. Yeah? Yeah, but they are really, really cute. She also sent me the Dr. Teal's moisturizing body oil. My Vaseline oil is almost done, and then she sent me this one. I don't know what to do with this, my friends. They're just so amazing. And then she sent me Vagisil. This is the Daily Intimate Wash, skin-friendly scent, all day freshness. I usually gravitate towards this unscented one, but I'll try this one out and see how it works. She also sent me wet ones as well. Makeup remover from Equate. Okay. This probiotic, my mom's sister sent it to my friend. She sent 3 packets of it, but they delivered 2. My friend could get those ones, and then the other one came when she had already left for Nigeria. She was in Nigeria a few months ago, so this is that other one. She just sent it through her friend. And then she got me a pack of Aleve. I have Aleve. Oh. Let me see, when is this one expiring? 2026. Okay, fine. I already have Aleve, but I'll just put this one somewhere. Oh yeah, there's even an extra dried fruit here. So this is, she got me, how many now? 4 packs in total. And then she got me exercise bras. Yo, I've been looking for exercise brands. I went to Victoria's Secret and I wanted to pay for this one, but the shipping was just annoying me. And the person that we're expecting to come back had already left the US. So I just busted. I said, anyhow, look for somewhere to get. Not knowing that she sent me the exact same one I wanted. This is the black one. I wanted to get the nude color, but in this same design. And then she also got me this one as well. Beautiful colors. I love them. They look like crop tops on me, so I can even wear them as tops to the gym. And then she sent me cookies. These Christmas looking cookies, but I'm sure they're just regular butter Danish cookies. And then she got me cereal. This is like I'm guessing this is like an oat cereal, a whole grain cereal. That's what I'm looking for. Because it has almonds, it has pistachios, and stuff inside. I just can't pour this. Coincidentally, I got new cereal containers today, so this will be going into one of them. And then she got me my CeraVe face wash. I replenished my old one probably a month ago, and I paid 28,000 naira for it. So when I saw this, I was like, you don't know how much you have saved me. She sent me this one. The other one, I've not even gone halfway. It lasts a long time for me. So I'm going to keep this one. My mom also sent me the jar of moisturizer the other day, and I have one already using. I used the last one for a year. So for 2 years, 2 years from now, I'm good in terms of moisturizer, the CeraVe moisturizer, because I only use it for my face, and then this face wash. Okay, this is a cord set. I got this one from Shein. Yo, there's something I noticed with this order, this Shein stuff. I noticed that their quality is better when it's shipped to a US address. If I got this thing from the Nigerian website, it will come in with this flimsy fabric, but this fabric is so thick. I can't even believe that it's from Shein. I was telling her today, she's like, yeah, that's Shein because of the, is it consumer control, something that the US, something that is in place in America. You can't send nonsense or you can't sell rubbish. Basically, there's like a limit to how you can go in terms of quality. That's the word. So I got this beige, is it gray? Dark gray cord set, a waistcoat and pants. I'll style it and show you all. I also got this black and white crop top that I can pair with it if I want to. She also threw in this Super Glow, Super Goop Glow Screen Sunscreen by Super Goop. I wanted to try this out, so it's good she sent me a sachet size, this small size, so that when I want to, I'll see how it works and probably get the full size. And then my other friend, not this my friend though, my other friend asked me what I wanted for my birthday. She always does this. She's like, what do you want for my bougie friend? I said, well, this is what I want. Me, I don't like to go too high because I'm not a greedy person. I went for another Adidas Samba. Yo, another of my friend got me the black and white for my birthday, and now this one got me the orange and white. This is a new color that just launched. I love it. I got the other one in a size 8. So when they delivered it, I just realized that it was a bit big. So for this, I went with a 7.5. So half size less than what I got before. So I'm yet to try, but I know that it will suit me very, very well. I'm so happy. I've just been smiling from ear to ear. Thank you, baby. Okay, then over here, you know the Janelle, is it Jenee Naylor? Wait, let me look for it. Jenee Naylor. Jenee Naylor. This influencer that I love. She came out with a feature collective with Target. So that my friend that got me the sneakers, I told her that I wanted some pieces from it. So I sent money and then she got it for me. But the thing is, I got the wrong size. I don't know what I was thinking that made me go with size 20. Yo, I tried this thing. This is so huge on me. This is the orange halter neck top. So cute. Beautiful quality. It has this linen mix type of fabric. It's so nice looking, but it's huge on me. And because of this rubber at the back, I don't know if it's something they can work on. I don't know if I should sell it. I'm just confused. This is the only thing that kind of made me sad a bit this evening, because I already planned on how I'm going to rock them. And then I got the white set. If you know the Jenee Naylor collective launch, you know this outfit. It's a cord set, white pants and white waistcoat. The waistcoat is big, the pants are huge. The waistcoat they can even work on, but the pants, I don't know where they'll start from. I'll still take it to my tailor and see what he can do for me. That's everything in the box, I believe. Let me see. Is there anything inside here? Oh, this is obviously. Oh yeah, I need this thing. Thank God. So this is what they used to lock the box. I'll use it to lock the bag I'm sending to our husband. A cough and throat relief house and extra strength dieters drink that she sent. I know this is for me, not for our husband, obviously. For women. Oh, okay, for men and women. This is the last thing. This Olay bath wash, the retinol one. This one. She sent it for me as well. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. I love you. You already know. I'm going to be unboxing my Osmo Pocket 3 soon. You know what that means? More vlogs. This is more discreet. It's smaller and I love it. I've just been seeing so many reviews. One of the things that prompted me to get this was because of my mic. So when I went to Lagos the last time, my mic broke. I vlogged about it. Not the mic, the connector to the iPhone broke. So I've not been able to use mic. I have a smaller mic, but that bringing it out to tucking it in is a lot of stress. So this one came with a wireless mic. Same thing I have here, but wireless version. I don't need the transmitter. I just plug it and connect to Bluetooth. So that was one of the reasons that I wanted to get this. I'm so glad I got my hands on it because it was scarce for a while. It wasn't on Amazon. We had to get this directly from DJI website and shipping was quite expensive. So yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you all later. Help me thank my friend in the comment section. My friends, the one that got me the sneakers and the one that sent all these things. I love you. Mwah. Bye.